So this chapter, lecture number 8, mechanism of the drug action. The previous class we have studied about the pharmacodynamics, and that is the power of the drug action on the body. The content is completely for the education purpose only, and the content is taken from the internet books and articles. Objective of the studies: definition of the metabolism site of the biotransmission, first pass metabolism, first phase 1, phase 2 metabolism products, phase 1 metabolism excretion. Definition: the metabolism of the drug and the other xenobiotics into more hydrophilic metabolites is essential for the elimination of this compound from the body and termination of their biological activities. Inactivation generates more polar water soluble inactive metabolites. That is example is phenobarbital readily excreted from the body. Activation metabolites may be still have potent biological activity or have the toxic properties. Example: phenylbutazone, oxyphenylbutazone. Activation of the inactivated drugs product concept. Example: levodopa, that is dopamine, generally applicable to metabolism of all xenobiotics as well as the endogenous compounds such as steroids, vitamins, and fatty acids. Cytobiotransmission enzymatic in nature. Enzyme systems involved are localized in the liver. Every tissue has some metabolic activities. Other organs with significant metabolic capacity are the GIT, gastrointestinal tract, kidney, and the lungs. The main biotransformation reactions are at the non-synthetic, that is called phase 1, and synthetic, that is conjugate, that is called phase 2. Following non-parental administration of the drug, a significant portion of the drug may be metabolically inactivated or either in the intestine, in endothelium, or in the liver before it reaches the systematic circulation, limits the oral availability of the higher metabolized drug. Phase 1 functionalized reaction, phase 2 conjugation reactions. Phase 1 metabolism includes oxidation, reduction, hydrolysis, and hydration and isomerization. Examples: barbiturates, phenothiazines, paracetamol, steroids, benzodiazepine. Many drugs undergo a number of these reactions. Main function of the phase 1 metabolism is to prepare the compound for phase 2 metabolism. Mixed functions enzyme system found in the microsomes of the many cells, that is the liver, kidney, lungs, intestine, perform many different functional reactions. Converts the parent drug to a more polar metabolite, introduction or unmasking a functional group, that is OH, NH2, and SH, usually results in the loss of the pharmacological activities. Sometimes may be equally or more active than parent, that is called potent drug. Pharmacological inactive convert rapidly to active metabolites, usually hydrolyze of the ester or amide bonds, maximize the amount of the active species that reaches the site of the action. Example: enalapril, enalapril or enalaprilate, levodopa to dopamine. Endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, like macrosomal or cystosol. With respect to the drug metabolized reactions, two subcellular organelles are quantitatively the most important: the endoplasmic reticulum and the cystosol. The phase 1 oxidative enzymes are almost exclusively localized in the endoplasmic. Example: endoplasmic reticulum, macrosomal. X examples are P450 glyconyl transferase. Phase 2 enzymes are localized predominantly in the cystosol. Examples are esterase, amidase, and conjugases. This is the diagram cell of the endoplasmic reticulum. Induction of the drug metabolism. Many currently used drugs are well known to induce their own metabolism or metabolism of the other drugs. Some examples are the anticonvulsant medications, Phenobarbital and carbamazepine. Cigarette smoking can cause increased elimination of the theophylline and other compounds. Consequences of the inductions: what are consequences? Increase the rate of metabolism, decrease in drug plasma concentration, enhance the oral first pass metabolism, reduce bioavailability if metabolites is active or reactive, or increased drug effects on toxicity. Inhibition of the drug metabolism. Drug metabolism can be subjected to inhibition. Drug and other substance can inhibit the metabolism of the other drugs. Competition between the substrate of the enzymes, active sites, concentration of the substrate, affinity for the binding sites. Drug with the high affinity for an enzymes will also the metabolism of any low activity and affinity drugs. Irreversible inactivation of enzymes. Example: complex with the heme iron of the CYP450, cimetidine, and ketoconazole. Destruction of the heme groups, that is secobarbital. Consequences of the inhibition. What the consequences? Increase the plasma concentration of the parent drug, reduction in metabolite concentration, accelerated and prolonged pharmacological effects, increase the likelihood of the drug-induced toxicity. Therapeutic implication of the inhibitions may occur rapidly with no warning, particularly effects of the drug prescribing for the patent or multi-drugs regimes. Knowledge of the CYP450 metabolic pathway provides basis for the predicting and understanding inhibition. Examples are especially drug interactions. Examples of enzyme-induced and inhibitors in the metabolism: affected drug inducers, inhibitors, tricyclic antidepressants, parapenol, warfarin, and theophylline. As for antidepressants, phenobarbitol, phenytoin, rifampicin, smoking and charcoal boil meats. Inhibitors of cimetidine, erythromycin, ciprofloxacin, and sulfamides. These are the work as an antibiotics in use as antibiotics. So disease factors: so liver disease, cirrhosis, alcoholic liver disease, jaundice, carcinoma. Major location of the drug metabolized enzymes dysfunction can lead to impaired drug metabolism, decreased enzyme activity, first pass metabolism affected, results in accelerated pharmacological response and adverse effects. Cardiac failure causes decreased blood flow to the liver. Hormonal disease, infections, and inflammation can change the drug metabolism capacity. Age, age, newborn childs and infants metabolize drug relatively effectively, but at the rate generally slower than the adults. Full maturity appears in the second decade of the life. Slow decline in function associated with aging. Excretions: urine salicylates, probenecid phases, unabsorbed fractions from the bile. Example: strides and organic bases. Examples are erythromycin, rifampicin, tetracycline, and phenolphthalein. Exhaled airs, gases, and volatile liquid. Examples: alcohol, formaldehyde, general anesthetics, saliva and sweats, lithium, potassium iodide, thiocyanates, rifampicin, and heavy metals. Milk: drug enters milk by the passive diffusion. Milk pH is 7, thus basic drug get more into it. Drug should be given cautiously at the lacting mothers. Global filtration and depending on their molecular size, tubular absorption, lipid solubility, and ionizing at the urine pH. Thus, pH of the urine affects the excretion of the drug. Poisoning: barbiturates, acidic and salicylic urine is alkalized, acidifies, increase of the morphine and amphetamine poisoning. Summary: the definition of the metabolism site and summary of the topic that has been we have concluded with this definition of the metabolism site of the biotransformation. First phase metabolism, phase 1 and phase 2 metabolism, products, phase 1 metabolism, and lastly excretion. References, we have taken the references from the book Pharmacology by K.D. Tripathi, and this chapter comes to end. Thank you.